So targeting the right customers can be a problem. Some people are not targeting the right customers. Some people are targeting the right people who can end up becoming customers. But those people are not reacting because the value proposition is not strong enough. So value proposition, what is this product going to do for me? Is it more durable? Is it more convenient? Is it more price friendly? Are you more supportive? Are you more responsive? There has to be something that will make this person look stupid if they don't buy what you're selling. Because they know that if they go out there, whatever they will buy may not be as good as what you're selling. Whatever you're buying, whatever they will buy outside may not be as valuable, depending on how they describe it. Valuable to some people might be low cost. Valuable to some people might be premium. So it's not, price is not the full story about value sometimes. Some people might see something that is priced at a low price as valuable. Some people will not see it as valuable. Instead, they want something that is priced at a premium price. So if you don't know what value means to the kind of customers you're trying to target, that's usually where the problem starts. You end up showing them something that they will not react positively to. And of course, creating a strong value proposition also ties to creating a clear and attractive offer. Your offer and your value proposition go hand in hand. So the best way to explain this is, some people think that what they are selling is just their product at a particular price. When most people think of their offer, they only think of product and price. I'm selling you this product at a particular price. That's the offer. But an offer can be far more than product and price. Service is a major part of your offer. No matter what you sell, whether you sell a product or a service, there's a service component to what you sell. How responsive are you? How helpful are you? How quickly do you deliver? Are you going to support me in installing and using this thing? If I run into trouble using this item and I need support, are you there to support me? So all of these are items, all of these are factors that come into your offer. Payment plans are also part of it. You might be selling your product for 10,000 and I'm selling mine for 15,000. I am 15,000 more expensive than yours. But if I have a plan, a payment plan, for you, you sell at 10,000, cash and carry. Pay me the full 10,000 and I will give you the product. That's how you sell. For me, I sell at 15,000 and I offer installmental payments. You can pay me 5,000 now and then spread the remaining balance of 10,000 over time. So even though I'm more expensive than you, I will be able to attract some people who are drawn to the payment plan. Maybe they are salary earners. Maybe paying the full 10,000 now, they don't have the savings for it and it will be too heavy on their salary. But they want somebody that can give them a payment plan. Yes, I'm taking that risk by offering a payment plan, but I'm 5,000 more expensive than you are and I end up making that sale. So the offer needs to be very clear. And again, we have something inside of the BMG Academy. I believe it's in the art and science of sales. We have a specific course there that talks about offers. There are about 7 ingredients in an offer that includes the product and the price. There are other things you can put in there that can make your offer much more appealing, right? If you're interested in learning more about the topics I offer when it comes to starting, building, and growing a business, this is your opportunity to join my community. It's known as the BMG. I provide extensive courses on different topics and challenges that afflict business owners, from how to optimize your profits, how to manage costs, how to boost your sales, how to develop processes, how to scale your business. There's a whole lot that I can teach you. If you want to go deeper into my content, this is your chance. Go to the link on your screen right now, join thebmg.com.